Which flux core welder is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer is. Every model looks the same online, same specs, same claims, same stock photos. But once you start welding, the differences hit hard. Today, I'm breaking down the real winners. Product number 1, YESWELDER Flux 135 Pro. First up, the YESWELDER Flux 135 Pro. This one caught my eye because it's a 3-in-1 machine, Flux Core MIG, Stick and Lift TIG, all packed into a budget-friendly $141 price tag. It weighs just 19 pounds, so it's easy to move around, and it comes with a digital display that actually helps you see what you're doing. Here's why this matters for you. If you're a DIYer or weekend warrior working on car parts, farm equipment, or home repairs, this welder gives you serious flexibility without needing a welding degree. The 135 amp output handles mild steel up to 2.5 thick, and the synergic control means when you adjust the wire speed, the voltage auto-adjusts too, perfect if you hate fiddling with settings. Plus, it includes 2 pounds of E71T GS flux wire, so you can start welding right out of the box. Now, some people complained about the lack of gas compatibility out of the box. This is flux core only unless you add a separate torch. Here's the thing though, if you're doing outdoor welding or don't want to deal with gas cylinders, that's actually a benefit. Flux core works great in wind, and you skip the hassle of tanks and regulators. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-gas setup for home projects and don't need industrial-grade power. Skip this one if you plan on welding aluminum or need full TIG functionality without buying extra parts. For under $150, it's a steal for what it delivers. Product number 2, YESWELDER YWM160. Now, if the Flux 135 Pro felt a bit underpowered for bigger jobs, the YESWELDER YWM160 steps it up. At $231, it's still affordable but brings 160 amps and dual voltage, 110V and 220V, so you can plug it into standard outlets or a heavier circuit when needed. Here's why this matters. The extra power means you can tackle thicker metal up to 1/4 mild steel, and it handles both 2LB and 10LB spools, which is huge if you're doing longer welds or professional work. The synergic control helps beginners, but pros can switch to manual mode for fine-tuning. It's only 19.4 pounds, so it's still portable, and the LED display keeps everything clear. Here's the thing, if you've never used TIG before, you'll need to buy the lift torch separately and watch a few tutorials. But for MIG and stick welding, which most home users stick to, it's plug-and-play reliable. This is perfect for you if you want room to grow. Maybe you're starting with DIY but thinking about fabrication or auto work later. Skip this if you only need basic home repairs and don't want to deal with dual voltage setup. For the versatility, it's one of the best mid-range options out there. Product number 3, BESTMIG 135A Welder. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for beginners. The BESTMIG 135A priced at $141. It's the same as the YESWELDER Flux 135 Pro, but it includes a welding helmet and gloves right in the box. That's not just convenient, it saves you $30.40 up front. This kit gives you everything: ground clamp, electrode holder, MIG gun, auto-darkening helmet, and leather gloves. The 135 amp output handles up to 1/8 steel, and the digital display shows real-time current, which helps you stay consistent. The synergic control auto-adjusts voltage and wire speed, so you focus on technique, not settings. A few buyers said the helmet's battery life is short and the gloves run small. Here's the thing, the helmet works fine for short sessions, and you can always upgrade later. The gloves are starter grade, good enough to protect your hands while you learn. This is perfect for you if you're a total beginner who wants to start welding this weekend without running to the hardware store first. Skip this if you already have safety gear or need to weld thicker than 1/8 regularly. For the complete package, it's hard to beat. Product number 4, YESWELDER MIG 165DS Pro. Now, if you're serious about welding but don't want to spend $500+, the YESWELDER MIG 165DS Pro is a beast. At $218, it delivers 165 amps, dual voltage, and a detachable torch, something rare at this price. It's a 4-in-1 machine with Flux core, gas MIG, stick, and lift TIG. The 165 amp output handles thicker materials and longer welds without overheating, and it supports 0.023 to 0.035 wire, giving you more control over penetration and speed. The synergic mode helps beginners, but manual control lets pros dial in exact settings. Some users reported the weight, 26.9 pounds, feels heavier than advertised when carrying it far. This is perfect for you if you want pro-level features without the pro price tag, great for small fabrication, auto repair, or serious DIY. Skip this if you only weld once in a while or need something ultralight. For performance per dollar, this is a standout. Product number 5. AZZUNO 130A Flux Core. Finally, the AZZUNO 130A, the budget king at just $90. Don't let the price fool you, this little guy punches above its weight. It's a simple, no-frills flux core welder that does one thing well: weld mild steel up to 3 thick. It has synergic control, so voltage and wire speed adjust together, and it includes a MIG torch, ground clamp, brush, hammer, and 1 lb of 0.030 wire. At 8.6 pounds, it's one of the lightest on this list. The big downside: no digital display, just analog knobs. Some users said it's hard to fine-tune settings precisely. Here's the thing: if you're doing quick repairs and don't need perfection, it's totally fine. But if you're welding structural parts or need consistency, you'll feel the lack of feedback. This is perfect for you if you need a backup welder or only weld a few times a year. Skip this if you're doing frequent or precision work. For under $100, it's the best entry point into welding. So which one should you pick? If you're a beginner, go with the BESTMIG 135A. It includes everything you need. Need more power and versatility? The YSWELDER MIG 165DS Pro is the best all-rounder. On a tight budget, the AZZUNO 130A delivers real value. Each of these has trade-offs, but they all solve real welding problems without the hype. Pick the one that fits your projects and weld smarter.